Welcome to Aarohan, Rise of Manufacturing. This is Sumeet Bengeri, Vice President, Precision Engineering Technology. We have launched a PVM 855 plus 5A. This is a simultaneous 5-axis machining. We have launched the SYNTECH control with a 250 dia 5-axis rotatable. This is one of the product which will be a boost in the manufacturing industry with a simultaneous 5-axis. We are launching one more workhorse, the turn mill center called PHL 2100Y plus. This is one of the unique machine which has most of the features like as a standard. It comes with a servo tailstock, BMT 55 turret with a 500 mm between center turret, which gives the unique combination with the industry like aerospace, semicon, oil and gas, automotive, and many more. At Aarohan, we are launching one more machine, vertical turning center, PVT 800 in performance series. This is again one more workhorse which has a 24-inch chuck, gearbox, comes as a standard. This machine basically used in the application like aerospace, oil and gas, pump and oil industries, and many more. In Precision Engineering Technologies, we offer a complete end-to-end solution in the manufacturing industry.